In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Elementor Wordpress, a useful skill for anyone building a website with this powerful page builder. Understanding how to go back and revise changes can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially when things don't go quite as planned. Firstly, let's dive into the Elementor interface. You're likely already familiar with the user-friendly design interface that it offers. Now, if you ever need to undo an unwanted change, there are several ways to do this depending on your specific needs and preferences. Let's start by exploring the most straightforward method, the undo shortcut. Just like in many popular software programs, Elementor allows you to quickly undo your last action using a simple keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and Z at the same time. If you're using macOS, you'll press Command and Z. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to step back and fix any mistakes that might occur during your editing process. Should you prefer a more visual approach, or if you're unsure about which step you want to undo, Elementor has an excellent feature known as the History panel. Look over to the bottom of the Elementor sidebar, where you'll find the history icon that looks like a clock. Click on it, and you'll find a list that details all the actions you've performed during your current editing session. Each action is listed, showing you a clear timeline of your work. You can easily scroll through this list, click on a desired previous state, and restore your page to that point. This is particularly useful if you've made multiple changes and want to revisit a specific stage in your design process. Another handy feature in Elementor is the ability to redo an action if you realize you actually did like the change after all. The redo function can be accessed by pressing Ctrl and Shift and Z on Windows or Command and Shift and Z on a Mac, essentially the inverse of the undo shortcut. Keep in mind that you can only redo actions if you've just undone them, as this feature is essentially stepping forward through your workflow. Lastly, if you find yourself testing different styles or layouts and aren't sure which you prefer, Elementor's revision history function is invaluable. Every time you hit save, Elementor creates a revision of your page. You can access these by clicking on the same history icon and then selecting the revision tab at the top. This allows you to compare the current version of your page with previously saved versions and restore any past version you prefer. It's a powerful tool that offers peace of mind when experimenting with your page design. By mastering these undo and redo techniques, you not only elevate your editing skills but also ensure that your creative process remains as fluid and flexible as possible. I hope this guide helps make your Elementor experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!